Vitamin C has many benefits for the skin, including the potential to make collagen, used to keep skin youthful and plump, heal wounds, maintain and repair damaged skin and cartilage, diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, brighten up complexion, reduce redness, even skin tone, reduce the appearance of dark spots, prevent premature aging. How often to use vitamin C? For best results, apply vitamin C topically 1 to 2 times a day, morning and night. Be sure to apply a moisturizer with a broad-spectrum SPF after vitamin C application for daytime. Follow the directions on your product's packaging, as instructions may vary from product to product. If you find your skin is sensitive to daily application, try starting with applying a low concentration a few times a week or every other day, then build up use as tolerated.